Hi, Dr. V here, and I would like to talk about what everyone seems to be talking about, which was that commencement speech that was given that shared that women's life kind of began and ended within the home. Their purpose is found within the home in the production and rearing of children. And it is quite an amazing fact and thing that biologically women can actually carry birth and then nurse and nurture children. It is an incredible gift and an incredible phenomenon and necessary for the propagation of the human species. Okay. And men biologically are built much stronger. They are stronger on average than women. Wonderful. It's necessary within the human species. Here's the deal, just because a woman can give birth and just because a man may be stronger doesn't mean that women should only be giving birth and taking care of children or that men should only be lifting heavy things. Like, we don't expect, require, or limit men to just lifting heavy things all day because they're biologically stronger. Their workday has never been restricted in modern history to only going out and lifting boulders, rocks, and tree trunks. That would be insane. They have talents and gifts and abilities outside of the fact that they're biologically stronger. In the same way, women have talents, gifts, and abilities outside the function of delivering children. And so, if women aren't just for raising, producing children, and men aren't just for going outside and lifting heavy things all day, it seems to me that we already understand the middle ground, that we already understand that while there may be a biological function that one sex is better or capable of that the other isn't, that doesn't mean that's their only purpose, function, or ability. And when you look at it through that lens, equity and equality seem to make perfect sense, or at least the ability to open the doors and allow people to fulfill that which is fulfilling to them outside of just what a biological marker might highlight. So, with that in mind, I invite all men to not lift heavy things today. And I invite all women to not produce children today, if you so wish. And if you would like to produce a child today, wonderful. And if you would like to lift something heavy today, fantastic. But these are optional activities in modern society, and no one should be relegated to one thing just because biologically they can do that one thing. Everyone should have a menu of choices, of passions, of skills, abilities, and talents that they choose to express at different times in their life without regard to sex. So let's just look at it, I mean, just through a pretty neutral lens. Men, you're off the hook for lifting heavy things today. Women, you're off the hook from creating children and rearing children today. And allow us all to explore ourselves and experience life.